Hello everyone, I'll be getting straight to the point. I'm a student who got an idea for a project, and in this video today, I'll be telling you about this project, more details, how to use it, what it's supposed to provide, and what it's trying to accomplish, like the goal of it, what it aims to, and what makes it different from other search browsers. So to start with, this project is named the Search Box. The Search Box project is the one that aims to provide information about a specific topic depending on the user's needs, to be used in whether writing an essay, doing a project, or making a presentation, maybe just for fun, and a lot more without the need to read a whole book or other search tools that require searching for the needed information, among a lot of unnecessary information. All without the need for internet, which is what makes this search browser special. So basically, the goal of this project is to have a tool to provide info when no internet connection is available. Furthermore, if this project were to be treated as a business tool, since it's considered a gap in the market, which means it's not provided, you can't buy it, and it's just you can't find it in the market. Various topics would be provided to suit all the customer's requirements, needs, and interests. Additionally, this project can provide way more sections and information if it were to be considered for an actual use. As you can see, I displayed it here on two symbol drawings. You can see that in the representation project idea, there's way less sections, which are here represented as lines to make it more simple, less rectangular prisms which include the info, so less rectangular prisms means less info, and surely this can't have a lot of ideas, the topics would be limited and all. If it were to be for an actual use, you can see here way more sections, way more rectangular prisms, truly way more ideas, information, answers, and more topics, basically more keywords and more things to find. How is it used? To start with, the Search Box project includes a paper that displays the topic and the related keywords for the topics included in the box. As you can see here in the symbol drawing, that's the paper we're talking about. Where you can see the word topic, there's what we're talking about. For example, we did this project, I made it with my teammates for a competition, and we chose chosen a career as our topic, and we wrote it here along with other included topics that are related as well, and you know the rest. We're gonna keep going with the explanation so we can give more clear ideas. The keywords are sectioned in groups, which is represented on the main paper on the side of the box, as we mentioned. The sections are shown on top as Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, and Section 4. Under them are the rectangular prisms that has S with the section number in front of each to represent which sections the rectangular prisms belong to. And each rectangular face of the rectangular prism shows information about a topic included in the section, which is displayed on one rectangular prism, just as an example, and that's exactly what we did to display the idea of the project. So as you can see here, this is our search box. Sounds and looks like an ordinary box, but actually, I believe this can be really useful. As you can see here, that's the one we're talking about for an example. A closer picture here, it shows that here are written the info, Section 1, because this one is clearly in Section 1, it relates there. And you can see that on each face, the others aren't clear, but you can tell that each face has information. To add more information and clear this subject, these rectangular prisms are bolded out to give better access to inspection and reading the information on them. As you can see, it's gonna be easy to bold If it were to be treated as something for an actual use, as we mentioned earlier, it would have a better quality, softer material of wood as planned, and I wish. That would make it easier to bow. You can inspect freely, read freely, have a closer look if you want, and just use it as you wish. The project shows the topic choosing a career just to give an example that's easier to understand, which is the one I did, and I plan to show a video that shows what we actually did, just to make it clear. And there's a small mistake on the project in the video. I just can't take another video right now, so I'm saying in advance. The mistake I did was that the sections we're talking about, these for example are for section 1. I made 1, 2, 3 for section 1. Okay, as you see, it's supposed to be all ones, so just ignore that mistake. The video is just to show you a better look at the idea of the project and the work we've done, me and my teammates and friends and classmates, for the competition. And not very basically, I think I took a lot of time. That's the whole idea of our project, the search box. Thank you for listening, and I hope this idea can be considered, because as a student myself, I believe it can be useful.